Want to earn money online without creating your own product? In this series, I will teach you step by step how to start affiliate marketing and make passive income, even if you are a complete beginner. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when people buy through your link. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service. Just connect people with the right product. How it works. Step 1. Join an affiliate program like Amazon, ClickBank or Share a Sale. Step 2. Get your own unique link. Step 3. Share that link on social media, blogs, YouTube or email. Step 4. Earn commission when people buy. Why it's great for beginners. Affiliate marketing is beginner friendly because it requires almost no upfront investments. Can be done from anywhere. It has the potential to generate passive income over time. In the next episode, I will show you how to pick the perfect affiliate products that actually sell. Don't miss it.